You want free money? Great. Now let's talk about why the economy would collapse. Universal basic income isn't a policy. It's a participation trophy for macroeconomics. Fiscal capacity isn't a suggestion. It's a hard ceiling. You can't distribute what you don't extract. And tax bases don't magically expand when you promise everyone a monthly stipend. They expand when productivity scales. Spoiler, it doesn't, so you print the difference, or you tax the middle class into a coma. Either way, you just flooded a fixed supply of goods with $1 million extra. Inflationary pressure doesn't care about your intentions. It just raises prices. Your grocery bill becomes a tax on your own wallet. Now watch the labor market. If your rent gets paid whether you clock in or clock out, suddenly the warehouse runs on vibes. Labor market disincentives aren't a moral failing. They're basic supply and demand. You remove the incentive, you remove the output. Okay, fine, let's solve that. Job guarantees, public works. But now you're battling enforcement latency and legislative friction. Who approves the projects? Who audits the hours? Who stops the paperwork from outliving the dinosaurs? You just traded a check for a committee. Enter targeted welfare. Ugly, yes. Paperwork heavy, absolutely. But mathematically viable. It routes resources to demographic velocity hotspots without drowning the entire economy. It's not pretty. It's plumbing, and plumbing works. But targeting creates its own bottleneck. Eligibility cliffs, benefit traps, processing lags that haven't updated since 1995. Meanwhile, the people who need help are stuck in a system that treats urgency like a suggestion. UBI proponents call this cruelty. I call it weak design. You don't fix a leaking pipe by flooding the foundation. You isolate the pressure. Targeted systems are surgical strikes. Blanket payments are carpet bombing with confetti. And confetti doesn't pay for steel. Look at the actual data. Universal checks trigger inflationary pressure that quietly taxes the poor through higher rent. Targeted programs actually move needles. Housing vouchers, earned income credits. They work because they're constrained. Constraints aren't the enemy. They're the guardrails. So yes, UBI is mathematically impossible. And that's a feature, not a bug. We don't need magic money trees. We need functional policy infrastructure. Less utopian fantasy. More systems engineering. Drop your hot takes below. Is targeted welfare broken, or is UBI just a skill issue for modern economics? I'll be here, watching the price of eggs and waiting for the next viral policy pitch.